welcome back to my channel. I'm Marjorie, and for today's video, I'm with someone who's very special to me and my little sister, my little best friend, you know. And she's gonna share her, life, personal growth, relationship, and family. So please welcome Therese Jackin BC.
Hi everybody!
How are you doing?
I'm cute.
Thank you for joining me.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
So, how's your life?
Good. Just working. Alam mo naman dito sa Canada, just work lang, and bahay, and
So, a little back lang, guys. Ano siya? She's my cousin from my mother's side, and siya yung second youngest here na pumunta sa Canada, which is, she's still a little kid that time, like 12 years old, 11.
I was 12.
Yeah.
Yes, 12 ako nun, guys.
So, she kind of like adopt the liberated here, but, surrounded by big sisters, cousin, and brother,
Of course. Iba yung guidance ng mga sister ko na to.
Yeah. Maano kami, strict.
Very traditional pa rin naman kami.
Yeah. Yung mga natutunan mo sa aming mga, big brothers and big sister, because we've been like, you saw us like lots of struggles, mistakes.
Grabe.
Yeah.
Grabe mga napagdaanan ng family to. And masasabi ko lang is, doon mo makikita yung yung kalakasan ng loob ng bawat isa. Like, we're not afraid to take a step forward.
Yeah.
Lalo na tong baing ko. That's another story, pero isa siya sa mga talagang may inspire ka. Like, not being biased pero may inspire ka talaga kasi I wouldn't be able to do what she's doing.
Maybe you can interview me in the future.
I think so. That's a good vlog idea.
Yeah, sa vlog ko, interviewin mo ako.
I'm down. Kasipagan lang and support.
How do you love our family and like, we're supporting each other kahit sa ang bagay, kahit sa,
kahit pa hindi
relationship.
sila masaya.
Family naman, it's like up and down. Hindi naman lagi masaya.
Exactly. Doon pa lang sa tanong na yun, support. Talaga, iba talaga support ng family ko. Kahit pa against minsan yung mga parents namin. Sorry, mom.
Mom and dad.
Pero by the end of the day, talagang they're there to help us yung hindi nila tayo papabayaan. And yun nga, kahit pa gaano ka judgmental ang family.
I mean, like yung mga real opinion.
Exactly.
We're just...
Yun nga, tapos kahit ganon, hindi ako natatakot. Hindi ka matatakot na gumawa ng something kasi alam mong hindi ka nila i-judge for.
Moving here in Canada, ano yung mga ginagawa mo nung bata ka?
Guys, ang sarap kasi pagtripa ni Ate Marge. Pag ganun siya, kilala niyo si nanonood ba kayo ng Showtime? Promise. Para siyang si Ann Curtis.
Ano yung parang life mo nung 11 years old ka?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Kasi, syempre, bata pa kami and lagi tayo magkasama nung bata tayo, right? We're like best friends.
Exactly. Kahit sa Pilipinas pa lang, kaso wala inano niya na yung mga ate ko. So, iniwan niya na ako sa ere.
I mean, I'm getting older.
Nag-matured na siya
and baby pa siya that time.
Yeah. Gusto ko pa laro-laro ng luto-lutuan, Barbie. Syempre siya gusto niya na ng ibang level.
Yes, that's life. So, ano ngayon, nalobat po, guys. So, we're gonna use one mic. It's okay. It is what it is.
Ever since kasi na parang nagka-utak na ako. Nagka-utak. And nung pumunta na si Mama dito, nilook forward ko lang talaga pumunta dito sa Canada. Parang pag-iisipin mo, wow, ibang bansa, ganun. Pero na-enjoy ko pa rin naman yung life ko doon, like elementary days. And yung mga friends ko sa elementary, they're still my friends until now, so... Yeah. Hi, guys. Sa TV na ako. Six Earth. Basta lahat kayang nasa Six Earth. Although mamimiss ko yung lola ko, naiisip ko yun, pero still very excited pumunta dito.
When you move here in Canada, ano yung biggest lesson that you learn?
The biggest lesson. Parang Miss Universe.
Miss Universe.
Para pa Miss Universe na kami dito. Biggest lesson ko natutunan dito sa Canada is talagang
So far.
so far, yes, is just keep on just keep on going. Like, dito kasi ang daming opportunities. Yung hindi ka mapapabayaan ng I love this country so much. It's not perfect pero hindi ka papabayaan kahit wala kang trabaho and everything. Just keep going and don't be afraid na mag-try ka ng different things.
Now we move forward in your relationship.
Parang mas gusto ko siya hawakan.
It's up to you.
Parang may nafe-feel akong comfort eh.
Okay, we can.
'Di ba?
Sure. So we're in
Tatakot to,
relationship. Wow. So there's a little throwback. Na nasaksihan ko po ang kanilang relationship 2017. Wow.
Yeah,
you're
she's the
so
first one talaga na nakasaksi
Yeah.
ng mga kapilian
yung
ko.
mga
Kasabot
mga
ko-
sneak
yes.
out niya.
Magkasabot kami kasi
So
siya
Tita
din.
Aji.
Ikaw din, Tita B.
But for me, nag-failed yung relationship ko, and yeah, it's
Which is
failed
for the better.
for the better and for the goods.
For the goods of the world.
I know Lester. Can I say his name?
Of course. Hindi ba kami, secret lang kami nag-edit.
J.R. Lester?
Ano, JR?
Ay, Junior!
Jan? Jan kasi. Jan.
Yun sa CEO.
Sabi niya, she knows. She knows Lester Jr.
They've been together, ilang years na kayo?
Ilan na nga ba? Nagbilang, 8 years.
Wow! So
Grabe,
proud.
no? It sounds long, like a long time. Pero, it is a long time.
It's 8 years,
It is a long
girl. So, what's your secret for a
Oh
long-lasting
God.
relationship?
There's no secret, guys. Walang secret. Para kasing pag ganun, you just go with the flow eh. And, eto lang yung siguro masasabi ko.
Yeah.
Choice talaga siya. Like, kahit ano pang ipa-feel sa'yo ng tao, like, kahit ano pang gawin niya sa'yo, or kahit ano pang pagdaanan nyo, at the end of the day, pipiliin mo mag-i-stay ka ba dito sa tao to, o iiwanan mo siya. It's just a matter of choice.
Kahit makita mo pa yung bad side niya and everything.
Exactly. You just have to think to yourself na, like, worth it ba na, how worth it is it? Ganon. Or, isipin mo lang kung anong mararamdaman.
Pero meron ka pa bang like kilig, nararamdaman
Oo
sometimes?
naman.
Of course, di na mawawala yan.
Kahit
Sa iba.
kahit araw-araw kami magkasama, like, you still look forward na namimiss mo pa rin yung tao na gusto mo siya makasama lagi.
Oh, Lester, patay ka
Yeah.
sa akin.
Tinakot.
How do you and Lester understand, pag may away kayo? Like, meron ba kayong like biggest fight na nangyari?
Oo naman. Ayoko i-share.
Don't share it. Like, yung
Yeah.
paano nyo na-solve? Paano kayo nag-usap to resolve it?
Papaganahin ko na lang yung story, guys. Pero,
Maganda.
iba-iba kasi eh. Siyempre, sa tagal namin nung una, immature, ganon. Away-away, talagang sa magsasabihan kayo ng masasakit na salita and actions, which is very immature. Siyempre, ilang taon na kami nun, guys. We've done a lot of immature things to each other, with each other. Recently, pag nag-aaway kami, siguro part na lang din ng maturity and sa pagtanda. Basta yun, over time, parang tinatamad na lang din kami. Alam mo yung magsisimula kami ng away, tas parang tanga lang pala tayo dito, walang kwenta yung pinag-aawayan natin, so bati na kayo. Ganun na lang siya. makaka-relate lahat ng mga long-term relationship dyan.
One experience or mistake that help you grow as a person. Like, hindi sa relationship, yung pang sarili mo, yung nagawa mong yourself.
Talaga, wala nakakaalam nito eh.
Papaalam mo.
Nagbenta ako ng drugs. Joke lang. Parang di pa kasi nag-grow as a person. I'm still stuck here, guys.
Still growing.
I'm still growing. Pero, this is gonna break my heart. Pero,
I'll fix it.
siguro nagseryoso ako sa pag-aaral.
What's that? Nagseryoso ka? Ako hindi nagseryoso.
Hindi, sabi mo, biggest na pinagsisihan ko, di ba? Alam mo na, tingnan mo, guys, mali-mali yung interviewer namin.
Hindi ka. Sinabi mo kasi,
Sana nagseryoso ako sa pag-aaral.
akala ko nagseryoso ka mag-aaral. Kung mistake mo yun, nagseryoso ka mag-aaral. Kaya sabi ko, ako nga hindi nagseryoso.
Dito niya makikita para talaga siyang si Ann Curtis. Ganyan
Okay,
po siya, okay.
Hindi ka nagseryoso.
Hindi ako nagseryoso. Hindi na po genuine yung reaction niya, guys.
Bakit hindi ka nagseryoso?
Kasi nga, kasi tamad ako.
I mean, pasado ka naman, nakagraduate ka naman.
know.
So that's enough. At least you tried. Me,
The problem is me. Yun nga, ano ba pasagutin mo? Natawag po si John Lester Jr.
Wait pa. Break time.
I'm in the middle of an interview right now.
I'm sorry.
Joke lang.
Magsalita ka.
Hello.
Ito po si Lester.
Hello.
Salita.
The man, the myth, and the legend. Lester.
Salita ka, may mic ka.
Hi. Hi. Hi guys, welcome to my guys vlogs.
Hello?
Sheesh.
Nasa ano po siya ngayon? Out of the nasa Mars po siya ngayon eh. Joke. Out of town.
Okay,
Anyways,
so
ano
back
nga
to
yung
the
topic?
question. Yung sa'yo, hindi ka nagseryoso mag-aral.
Hindi ako nagseryoso mag-aral. Mag-aral. Like, nakatapos ako ng high school and nag-college, whatever course that is. Pero yung mga ka-age ko lang ngayon na tipo nasa university, it's not too late naman. I can go anytime. Pero wala na. Parang hindi na ready yung utak ko eh. Tamad na yung katawan ko mag-aaral and shit. Pero yun na, may experience na mag-college, mag-university, and mag-take talaga ng degree or diploma. Yun lang. I wish I had the motivation to do that.
I think COVID times yun eh.
Nung nag-college ako.
Yeah. So, online. You did online. Which is good.
Yeah, at least na-experience ko. Pero it's not a real thing kasi online lang siya.
Even me, it's the same. Nag-online lang din. Hindi naman mababase sa pag-aaral yun. Sometimes nga you have like degree and then after that you can find a
Exactly.
stable job. And right now you're doing great in your
know. I'm
job.
very
Congratulations. Can you share your what you do in living?
So, I work at a hotel. I'm a front desk person. Pero ngayon, iba na yung duty ko. May group sales camerot na akong ginagawa. So, I'm not just front desk now.
Wow, so
Medyo
proud of you.
Level up.
Siya po
Nag-level
yung like the matino na employee. Kasi tagal mo sa Tim Hortons, ilang years ka
Girl,
dun?
I was 14 nung nag-start ako and I was there since 18, parang 5 years ata ako dun eh. Straight, 5 years. Isang location yun. Never ako umalis.
Ako, paiba-iba.
Kaya pag nakita niyo yung resume ko, talagang long term eh. Yeah, tsaka ilan lang yung trabaho ko.
Which is good sa ibang company. Like, they can see your, loyal. Loyal ka ba?
Of course I am.
Oh, are you?
Everyone's loyal.
You never know.
But not everyone is faithful. Ay, papakita po namin, guys. Nakalimutan niya. That's
Yay!
the
DC
handshake.
handshake. How do you balance being How do you balance being a daughter, sister, partner, and still focus on yourself? Are you still focusing on yourself?
Mukha po nag-focus ako sa sarili ko, guys. If ganun man, sana may muscle na ako. Talagang, schedule talaga. Like, kami, pag gusto namin mag-hangout nila mama, talagang schedule. Kasi ngayon, living separately na with the mom and the sister. But, yun, we always make time. You have to make time for the things that you wanna do. Okay. Lahat po namin sasabihin akong motivational. Magagano kami. That's the challenge here. Yun nga, you have to make time.
So you do time management.
I do.
Yeah,
And
you
I
work.
actually, sabi mo sa ginagawa ko rin for myself.
Yeah.
My nails. That's my only, that's the only thing that I do for myself talaga. I look forward to getting my nails done.
You need to love yourself, your body, and your
Exactly.
soul,
At least
and
I'm
your.
taking care of myself.
Yeah, you're taking care.
Thanking. Sorry, hindi ko mapigilan. Okay,
It's okay. Okay lang,
Sanay
makita
na
nila
siya eh.
yung ugali mo.
Sanay na po kasi siya. sa
Sanay
akin.
na ako, di ko na pinapansin yan. Sa kanila, pero sa ibang tao, ma-offend
Ay,
ako.
oo. Hindi ako papayag na gagamit ka ng ibang tao. No.
I think may nagano na sa akin before.
Nagganon sa'yo?
Sa
Paano?
mga
Ano sinabi mo?
natin, mga inuman times.
Ah.
And I'm kind of like, tipsy.
Sino yan? Papagaling ka.
Wala na siya here.
Ah.
Pero, yeah, na-offend ako. Tumahimik ako nun. But, now...
Paano, like, minak ka niya? Ginaya niya yung sinabi mo?
No, my voice. Like,
My voice.
it's a baby voice.
Babae ba yan?
Are you revealing?
Yeah, just the gender.
No, a male.
Ay, fuck that guy. Wala siyang karapatan.
Anyways,
Okay.
it's not here anymore. Nabawi sa...
Eh.
Yay!
Bawing-bawi.
Bawing bawi, bawing bawi, bawing bawi.
Bawing-bawi.
What motivates you in life na? Like, right now, we're living in Earth, there's like lots of distraction around, and yeah.
Kasi nakikita ko yung future ko na na maayos siya, na kahit hindi ko na ma-achieve yung mga dreams ko sa buhay, yung parang maging okay lang compared sa buhay ko ngayon. Nakikita ko kasi na kaya ko siyang gawin. So, na-motivate ako na mag-keep going kasi nakikita ko slowly I'm reaching whatever it is. na
But
mas better sa buhay ko.
But you can still achieve your dreams.
Naman, if I want to.
You don't want
I want
anymore?
to.
Kasi sabi mo eh.
Actually, I don't know what my dreams are anymore.
Really? What's your
Dati
dream?
kasi ang dream
What is
ko,
your dream?
like career-wise, gusto ko maging paramedics. Pero,
Okay.
hindi ko na yung dream ngayon. Ang dream ko ngayon maging pop star. No, legit. Like, gusto ko mag-perform mala Tate McRae, mala Ariana Grande. Pero, of course, that's very almost close to impossible.
You can do it.
No.
Yeah. Once
No.
I improve my vlogging,
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Actually,
I'll
she's
do
my hope.
I'll do all the production,
Oh,
everything.
thank you.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
wanna do that. Like, diba parang gusto ko maging, ako na salita.
Hey guys, I'll go.
Yung parang, diba gusto ko maging actor.
Actress.
Actress is
Yeah,
the
joke
same.
lang. It is the same. Nag-correctan pa ng okay, go.
Pero parang nakikita ko din yung sarili ko maging like producer, director.
Which you're very
I can
capable
do
of.
everything. Wow.
Very capable ka. No, promise guys. Tanungin niyo siya kung paano gawin to or ask niyo siya kung anong gagawin. She
So,
knows.
anong gagawin? What does our band?
Ito. Usapang ADHD. Joke.
Wow.
Ay, sorry. Tapusin mo na yung tanong.
Okay. what does our bond mean to you? Not just as cousins, but
Aw.
as best friend. You know, you're still my best friend
Oo
even though I
naman.
have like, I'm busy, you know my life still until now, you know everything.
Iba talaga iba yung bond, iba yung bond
Bond.
natin. Iba yung bond natin. Like, I can tell you everything without filter.
Yeah.
Yung ganon, like, I have friends, yeah, nakikwentuhan ko
Yeah,
naman
you
sila. Pero yung sa kanya talaga, may mga things na hindi ka mahihiyang sabihin. Hindi ako mahihiyang sabihin sa'yo kasi alam mo eh. Like,
Okay,
you get
tell me.
me. That
Okay,
I'm a gangster. Yeah, yun. Nagigets mo kasi same blood tayo. Same tayo eh, family tayo eh. Pero yun, yeah, I'm not afraid to tell you anything.
Yeah, you can tell me everything. Kahit madaling araw pa yan, text me, call
I
me.
know. Alam kong lagi lang ikaw nandyan for me.
Yeah, kahit mahuli ka na sa car.
Oo. Oy guys, don't tell it. Kahit pag nakulong ako, feeling ko, pag tinawagan ko siya, i-bail niya ako agad.
Yeah.
Bail me out.
Hey, magiging ko, incognito. Napanood mo yun sa Maris,
Yes.
siya.
Of course.
Nagpanggap siyang liar. I think I can do it. I wanna be an actor. I wanna
Pag
try,
actor ka kasi,
I wanna
magagawa mo din
try
lahat eh.
everything. That's why,
Magiging doktor ka.
yeah, that's what I
Everything.
want. I don't wanna like study, I wanna act.
Girl, you still need to study pag mo actress.
I mean, yes. Pero yung gagawin mo yung mga impossible.
Let's say, kung sa pelikula, doktor ka. At least
Doktor
hindi mo na
ako,
kailangan mag-aral.
like, magnanakaw ako.
Tapos police din siya.
Stripper. I don't think so.
Oy.
Mabait ako. I think mga
Bakit? Work is work.
yes.
Paano kung naging artista ka tas may bed scene?
Oh no.
Papayagan
I
ka kayo ni
asked
Kuya
Chris,
Chris.
no, don't like kissing scene.
Hindi naman yun totoo. It's work eh.
No, he said he's gonna be an actor too. How about
It is
you?
what it is.
Do you wanna be a stripper?
Yeah.
Pop star.
No, that's really my
No.
last resort eh. Maging stripper pag wala pa nangyari sa buhay ko. Joke lang.
ka na lang, magbenta ka na lang ng foot mo.
Alam mo, malapit na.
Is it real
Ida-download ko
talaga?
na. Sabi nila eh. Like,
I don't know.
slowly, you
Slowly.
earn a lot of money.
No,
Kasi
I don't.
paalang naman yun eh.
Never
like,
know.
I don't care. Wala naman sila mapapala sa akin. Joke.
So we're here at our last question.
Gusto ko magkantuhan.
Kwentuhan tayo. It's okay.
Exactly.
We can just kwentuhan here
Okay.
and sleep here.
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
fine here. Okay, what's the last question?
You could give me one message to your younger self. Or girls. I mean girls. Sige na. Not yourself. Younger girls. About love and family and yeah. What would it be?
Ang masasabi ko lang,
Because lots of na ngayon, mga younger, like, they're mas, na sila, tutok na sila sa social media, and social media
That's
is
true.
really toxic environment. Kung how do you use it, depende sa tao.
Yeah, tama.
But you use it for a job, it's okay, being creator. Pero yung iba, they're like,
parang yun na yung life nila, no? Like,
yeah, scrolling for like long time and no job.
let's
And
see. Ay, may job ako.
I mean,
Scrolling on the job.
I mean, like, dyan
Oo
na uso
naman.
yung mga mental health issue nowadays, diba?
Exactly.
So, like, depression, mental issues.
Alam mo,
alam
nyo hot take, mostly talaga ng mga mental illness, cause talaga yun ng social media.
Kasi yung parang makikita mo yung, kunyari, may kakilala ka, kita mo successful siya, and you're not, you're
Exactly.
stuck. So, parang, dinadown mo yung sarili mo.
Pero in reality, hindi mo naman talaga alam yung nangyayari sa buhay ng taong yun.
Yes.
They could be going through hell, pero sa social media, ang perfect ng life nila.
Yeah. Because, bakit may ipopost yung struggle mo,
Exactly.
right? Some people, they're like, even me, I can post like yung mga hardship. But some people, they just wanna like, memories. Yung like
Exactly.
document their life.
That's
know?
what the ano naman yun naman talaga yung purpose ng social media is to
Yeah.
share and document your life.
So yeah, back to the question.
Yes.
What is your,
My
message?
message. Ang message ko lang is don't be so hard on Grabe, sobrang yun nga, don't be so hard on yourself. And, like, huwag kayong masyadong mag-overthink ng mga bagay-bagay.
So hard
Ako
not
kasi
to
sobrang,
overthink.
it is hard. Pero, I guess, hindi ko pwede sabihin sa inyo na huwag ka mag-overthink. Hindi ko pwede sabihin sa inyo yun. Pero, I guess if mag-overthink kayo, isipin nyo mabuti.
Very nice.
Mag-overthink
Very
kayo.
nice.
Isipin nyo na mabuti. No, yun lang. Huwag kayo masyado mahirap sa sarili nyo. Guys,
Okay ka pa
parang ang
dyan?
saya dito. Ano na nga yung message ko?
Sa mga younger.
Ay, bumuka ka agad.
Oy.
Ay, joke lang.
Yes. Of
Pero,
course.
yun.
Don't bukaka.
As much as I love being in a relationship,
Yeah.
I love Lester so much. Pero, as much as you can, like, try to do your muna. Like, do whatever you wanna do first.
Individual growth.
Individual growth.
Yeah.
Don't pour your everything. Don't pour
Yeah,
your
kasi
all.
yeah, kasi bata pa kayo nagkakilala. Ilang taon nga
I
ikaw?
was 15.
15, girl. Dati, bago ka pa mag-boyfriend, girlfriend.
We learned everything together.
Yeah.
So we still grow up together.
Yeah, that's good. Kasi
Yes.
nowadays, if like sa relationship, they can like do it like together.
Yeah, yung tipong wala ka as a girl,
Mm-mm.
parang sunod ka na lang ng sunod sa lalaki kasi wala,
Yeah.
nasanay ka na eh.
I think nowadays, kasi back then talaga yung girls parang just need to be sa house ka
Oo,
lang, like
housewife.
maging feminine ka lang. But now, girls, women is like men now.
Like equal.
Yeah, you need to be like independent as a person.
Exactly.
Pero if you have a partner, syempre, you can be feminine pa rin. Kasi syempre, man is the, anong tawag nun? Like, yung lalaki sa relationship. They're the one who
Alpha.
can, alpha. Parang alpha. Pero
Yeah,
we can be alpha too.
exactly.
But,
Or walang alfahan sa relasyon na to. Respect each other.
respect, yeah.
It's very important to choose your
Communication is the key.
partner. Yes. Talaga, hindi tayo titigil. And time is gold. Health is wealth.
So nice talking to you.
I
Maybe
know.
we can talk like more deep.
More deep.
More
Deeper.
deeper.
We needed this. I needed
Yeah,
this.
I think you're the one of the first guests in my vlog. So
Yeah.
hopefully I can guess more people.
Of course.
Of
Sa dami
course.
nating family.
Yeah, not just family. I want
Oh
more.
yeah, of course. If
Yung
guys
mga
are
kilala
interested.
ko.
Yung mga
If you
friends
guys
mo.
interested, comment down below. Thank you for sharing your, your
Life story.
life story.
Of course.
Yeah, and guys,
Anything for
anything
you.
for you.
Aw.
Okay.
Hey.
Mm.
That was so much fun.
I hope we can like do it again in the
Of
future.
course.
Of
Ibang
course.
topic naman, no?
Yeah, yung meron
Or
ka ng
ikaw,
alak
interviewin
dito.
kita. Yes.
Of course. Okay, thank you very much. I
Thank
hope.
you.
Yeah, see you on my next video. Bye bye.
Bye.